Are blackhead remover tools safe? Hello and welcome to our discussion on blackhead remover tools. Today, we'll be addressing the question, are these tools safe to use? First, let's clarify that blackheads are caused by clogged hair follicles, and they can be trapped oil and dead skin cells. To remove them, various tools are available in the market, including physical removal methods and chemical exfoliants. Among these tools, the blackhead remover tool is gaining popularity due to its effectiveness in extracting blackheads and other impurities from the skin. Now, let's talk about the safety of using blackhead remover tools. The primary concern is the potential for skin irritation or injury. Some blackhead remover tools contain physical elements such as metal needles or abrasive grains that could cause injury if they're not used correctly. It is crucial to follow the instructions carefully and avoid using the tool on damaged or sensitive skin. Moreover, some blackhead remover tools contain chemicals that might be harmful to the skin if they're not used carefully. Always read the product instructions and make sure to use a balanced, non-comedogenic cleanser before using the tool to avoid any adverse reactions. In conclusion, blackhead remover tools can be a safe and effective way to remove blackheads and other skin impurities. However, it's essential to use them correctly and follow the manufacturer's instructions to minimize the risk of any potential injuries or irritations. With that being said, if you have concerns about your skin's health, it's always best to consult a dermatologist for personalized advice.